Join me and her this week as we travel to the small town of Laramie, Wyoming. Hop in, come go with us. It's going to be fun. We're here in the small town of Laramie, Wyoming. It's another chili cook-off, but there's a lot more of this town than just cooking chili. They're also having a festival today. And if cooking chili interests you, then you can go to that video right there. And you can see all the ins and outs of how we cook competition chili. But other than that, I'm just going to show you the highlights of it today and what's all around the festival and what Laramie, Wyoming has to offer. This is going to be an exciting day. Stay with us. So we slowed our cooking down a few years ago from about, 40 or 50 to 2 or 3. And it just seemed like life got in the way, and we started having more hobbies and things like that. And we really enjoy it though. Now her's not cooking today because she qualified at that last cook-off. So I'm still trying to qualify, and if I can get first place today, then we're going to go to Terlinqua with the World Championship. So wish me luck. This is about all I'm going to show of the cook-off, because you can watch that other video and see all about it. This town's pretty cute. It's got a lot of old charm in it. This festival goes for like 2 or 3 city blocks. I can't wait to turn this chili in and go check all that out. It'll be pretty cool. There's a lot of booths here. Hell, there's probably 30, 40 booths here. We'll see what they're selling.
place as we're counting them down here. 045673. 045673.
You know, we didn't do as good as we wanted to. We wanted to get first place so we can get that automatic qualifier to cook the World Championship. Then again, there were 25 other cooks wanting the same thing. Years ago, when we first started cooking chili, I would have jumped up and down and hoot and hollered for fourth place. Now I guess I just expect better of me, I don't know. Even though I have high expectations, I gotta remember that we only cook 2 or 3 times a year. And it's not like the glory days of cooking a lot and getting a lot of points. The good thing is if we did decide to go down to the World Championship, I don't have to cook chili. They've got so many other things to do, like wings, beans, salsa, things like that. And we can have her cook. One of the problems up here is there's not many cook-offs, so my chances pretty much done unless I want to drive all the way to New Mexico or Illinois or something like that, or back to Texas. And I don't think I want to do that. But I can tell you, this little town of Laramie, it's got a lot to offer. It's really a cool little town. Great festival, small town festival. You know how I feel about that. I highly recommend to have this as a drive-through if you're ever in this part of Wyoming. It has everything that a small town charm can give you, pretty much. And this festival they put on had a real great turnout. We enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it too. It was a hot one today. It got up to almost 100 degrees. We had a little bit of nice cool breeze, and that made it tolerable. Next weekend, we're going to be at a little campground called Cow Creek. It's right on the lake, so I don't know why it's called Creek, but finally get that camper back out. It's going to be really nice. Hopefully it won't be too hot. Appreciate you hanging around. Really enjoyed having you come along with us. So if I don't see you on the trail, I'll see you down the road.